Hello, God bless you. Welcome to this channel in Jesus' name. Okay, so there are times you need to do this chord progression on your song when going from progression that goes to 6 to 2 to 5 and then to 1. So okay, let me look at this song. Oh, Shaddai, hey Shaddai, da 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 da. I will praise your name too. Shaddai, da 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 da. So something like that. So what's the progression? The left hand is going 6, 7, flat 2, then 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. Something like that. So let me call the notes of the chord. First chord, we have I'm in the key of F sharp, right? That established. So we have our 6 on the left. We have 3, 5, flatting 7, flatting 2. So first chord. Second chord. We have this chord even has a tritone. Imagine, nice. So this one has 7 on the left. On the right, you have 4 sharp, 5, 7, and 9. Right? Then next chord is right. What chord is this? Okay, some of these chords are even in drop 2, but it's just that I'm also adding the 2 on the right hand. So this C sharp diminished 7 chord. So in drop 2 position, so the 2 right is here. Then you go to this chord, E diminished 7 chord, the drop 2. So we have a ba 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 2. So I'm sure I've taught this before. So 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. Like this song. What's this? So let's look at this song. You are Alpha and Omega. We worship you are God. That's a very good place to use this king. You are Alpha. Alright. And Omega. You are Alpha and Omega. Okay, so if you whatever takes you to 6, right, God, you are worthy to be praised. What am I missing? We worship you are. Okay, it's the application, yeah. So you are Alpha and Omega. Then we worship you, God. I hope it's getting clearer. So that's where you can use it. So you are Alpha and Omega, right? We worship you, God. You are worthy. God bless you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. So that's where to use the chord. All right. Sorry. God bless you. Subscribe for more. Bye.